Hello and welcome back. Now let's talk about the axis of symmetry. What is an axis of symmetry? An axis of symmetry is also called a turning point of a function. It's a turning point of a function, and it is found by the equation x equal to minus b over 2a. So this turning point, the axis of symmetry, is only for quadratic functions. Functions of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. So the turning point is a point somewhere here, whereby, let me say, I am going down, I am going down, I'm going down, I'm going down, I'm going down, and there will be a certain point here whereby I will change and I will turn and I will go up, 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 up. That's why it's called a turning point. Okay? It is a turning point because when I'm going down in this direction, there will be a point somewhere here, whereby I'm gonna turn and go upward. And also, it is a point in this function that cuts this function into two equal parts. Let me say this one. Let me say if this is my turning point. So if this is my turning point, when I cut this function into this dotted line, the side on the left will be the same as the side on my right. Okay? It is the axis of symmetry, like a triangle, a square. When I cut this side, when I cut it into into two equal halves, this half will be the same as this half. Even for this triangle, an axis of symmetry, we want a point such that we can cut this function into two equal parts. Okay, let's move on. So we wanna find this equation x equal to minus b over 2a. Okay. So now suppose you have a function f at x equal to y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. This is a general equation of quadratic function. So we want to derive this equation using this one. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to find the derivative of this function, which equal to, I'm going to take this 2, I multiply it by the 1 here, and I'm going to have 2ax, and I'm going to take the same 2 and I minus 1, I'm going to be left with 2ax. Plus, because this x here have a power of 1, I'm going to take the 1 and multiply it by the b, I'm going to have bx, and 1 minus 1 equal to 0, any number to the power 0 equal to 1, and I'm going to be left with b. So for c, because Here we don't have an x, or we can just say we have x to the power of 0. And when I multiply 0 by c, everything just gonna be equal to 0. So I'm gonna be left with 2ax plus b. So at maximum, at max, mean, at the maximum and the minimum, this guy must be equal to 0. Why am I talking about the maximum and the minimum? Because if we have a function like this one and a function like this one, this is the turning point. The turning point will be either at the maximum or at the minimum of a quadratic function. So we're gonna say 2ax plus b equal to 0. And then we divide both sides by 2a. Let me take the b into that side, and we have equal to minus b. And then we divide both sides by 2a. Divide by 2a. We have x equal to minus b over 2a. That's it. Okay, thank you guys.